There are 3 things I don't care about as a professional organizer. Number 1, how messy your home is. Please do not clean up before I come over for a consultation or to help you get organized. I need to see where the clutter is happening so that way I can help you come up with solutions to make your home work better for you. Number 2, if you don't want to have all new matchy organizing containers, bins, baskets, whatever, I always try to use what you have first, and I'd rather not add more clutter to your home. So yes, I will always bring stuff and we can shop from my car when needed. We'll always try to use what you have first. Last and final one, number 3, I don't care if you watch me work. A lot of my clients will sometimes just sit there and like get other work done or be like dealing with their paperwork or like working because they're working from home while I'm going through and organizing their kitchen, their pantry, their closet, whatever. And then they're like, oh my God, I feel so bad. I should be helping you. I'm like, no, this is what you're paying me for. This is what you want me to do the heavy lifting and help you get organized. So it's okay. Like, come and hang out with me if you want, and you can help me and declutter, and I'll use your brain to help me make all the decisions about what you want to keep, what you don't want to keep. But it's okay. It's okay to watch me work. It's not a problem.